If you love loud noises, no, correction. If you love the snow, then this is the vlog for you. Warning, there is loud noises in this video because I do get covered in snow, but I hope you enjoy. And always leave a like down below. If you do enjoy, subscribe, comment your favourite bit, and let me know in the comment section below. Let's go! So when I recorded it yesterday, I thought it was bad. Today is even worse. Look, it's literally like a blizzard out here. I can't actually see anything, and I'm up to my above my ankles in snow. But it looks super cool of what little bits I can see. It looks super dangerous as well. Quite a few people have crashed this morning. But I'm going to spend it. I was meant to be at work, but no. I rang in and said I couldn't get there because I physically can't get off the drive. There's at least 8 inches of snow on my drive. So, yeah, no driving today from us and no work from me. I'll be honest, I thought it would be very unlikely that we get any snow. And now, there's literally like 8 inches everywhere. Of actually like how much snow there is. Look, that's a whole hand's width of snow, and I ain't got big hands, but I got big-ish hands, and it's super cold, but it's everywhere, literally everywhere. I can't see a thing as well, but there's no cars. This is a main road, by the way. This here is a main road, which kind of shows me that England's not ready for snow. Because that shouldn't be like that. That should be gritted and everything like that. But then it's just snow. Everywhere I look, there's damn snow. I can't even tell where the edge of the curve is, but I'm braving it and I'm going to go see a special guest. Let's go. Even though it's super cold out, I actually love snow. Like, don't get me wrong, I've got it in my eyebrows, which is freezing cold. But I absolutely love snow. It just makes me feel so energetic and happy. So look who's coming back to the videos! Woo! I mean, don't leave me hanging.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Damn, dude.
Sorry, I was being a bit
What the hell? Yeah, about that. It's no good. It's a little bit cold. You're taking photos of me.
I am indeed.
Good. I mean, it's as if we're lost, but look at this. Woo! It's up to, oh my god, that's at least a foot, maybe 2 feet of snow. Well, it's got 2 feet in it.
That does not make it.
Yes, it does. It makes it 2 feet because it's got 2 feet in it. Actually, it's 4 feet because, you know.
Because you're special?
No, because yours are in it too. I'll be honest, it's literally super. Ah!
You got yourself.
Oh, it's got down my neck. Ah! No! How did that work out that way? No! No! Oh, yes! Dude, do me one favour. Please just stand underneath it. What?
Surprise, aren't you?
Oh, fuck. Ah! But yeah, I'm so surprised at how deep the actual snow is. It's super crazy. Ah! Getting pelted in the back of the head by a snowball. Yeah, I'm so surprised at how actual deep the snow is. You got your...
Down my neck. Yeah, I know,
Yes! Here to show us how strong the snow is when you shake it. Oh my god! That's so cold! I've got about an inch of snow on top of my phone. Oh! That is so cold. I don't even know. It's not even picking up on the sensor. Like, it's like the touchscreen's gone as well. I can't even pause it. Rob.
I'm drawing
A phallus. He's drawing Squidward upside down. Yep.
it doesn't look much like one anyway.
You've got ice in your beard.
No, that's just grey hair.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But no, it's like I love it. I love snow. I don't like the cold, but I love snow. Which direction should we go? That way? Back the way we came?
I don't know where we are.
That way? That way? Or that way? That way? Take it, we're going that way. My phone keeps freezing where it's so cold. Like, and I've got half a tree stuck to me now. Why did you choose this way? Ow!
I don't know, you followed me.
Right, let's go this way. That way. Okay, so Rob, what's the plan?
Go and get some breakfast, go to the shop, get bacon, bread, and then go and eat. The fire's on, be nice and tasty warm.
So we're doing a proper British thing. We're going in to the heating because we're scared of the cold.
Not scared of the cold, we just need
Well,
warm
no,
up.
we
Feeding.
us British, like, except for we're doing an American thing, we're having a coffee with it, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
Probably. Rather than tea, we're having coffee.
No, not tea.
But we're going to get bacon batties. Bacon butties, not batties.
Bacon batty boys.
Bacon butties. Because it's a little bit cold. We're going to warm up a little bit. We're covered in snow.
And then we build a snowman in the garden.
And then we're going to build a snowman later. Maybe.
Kids, really.
Yeah, because we are just big kids, but who knows. What are we cooking?
Sausages,
Mushrooms,
mushrooms.
bacon. Yes. Yes. Good. That's a knife. No. It's still snowing, by the way. It's still coming down. It's not good. It's literally still. I can't get over how much snow there actually is. It's like we don't get this snow.
Not this much.
This is like Polish snow.
How many? That's about a foot on top of that pot there.
Hang on. The pot he's on about, like that right there. That's the pot. That's flat on top.
Well, Buddha's got no head now.
The Buddha, that's a Buddha. He's not got any face. And like there's a full. You look at the swing. There's at least a foot of snow there.
Don't swing our video.
No. We're not used to this weather. I just don't get it. I don't know why. But it makes for good content. Yes! So we've left Rob's. It's now a couple hours later. We've been mucking around with a time-lapse feature on his camera. If he sends it to me, I'm going to try and put him in the video. But if not, oh well. But yeah, it's still snowing outside. It's super bright. But yeah, everything's starting to snow, like de-ice as well. But it's just started snowing again, so I think that it might actually be here to stay. I don't know yet. Just have to wait and see, I guess, and go from there.